Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar, Japanese yen, and I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Yes, my favorite 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours chart. As we all know, market became very volatile. Okay. In fact, all the currency pairs witnessed extreme volatility or turmoil during this week after the FOMC meeting when US dollar became very strong. Currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD saw bloodbath. Yes, there was bloodbath in GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay. Whereas currency pairs like USD CHF, USD Canadian dollar, US dollar Canadian dollar saw good buying pressure because US dollar also became extremely strong. Okay. And I have already shown in my other videos also that how US dollar is going up. Okay, you can see that US dollar is extremely bullish right now, and if we look at the present formation, chart formation, then we can see that this is it was in downtrend, but right now we can easily see that it has given us the confirmation that no, it is a trend reversal and it is going up now. So US dollar will be volatile right now. Okay. And there's a good possibility that in the coming week market will reach this resistance zone. Until and unless market reaches this particular zone, we can assume that US dollar will remain bullish. Okay, so let's get back to our US dollar Japanese yen chart. Unlike USD CHF and unlike USD CAD, okay, there was not much volatility or not much extreme buying pressure, and we can see that after this big fat green candle, market started coming down. Okay, and you can easily see that. Okay, you can easily see that in the 4 hours time frame, market is following a trend line here. Yes, I have already drawn a trend line here, and you can see that whenever market is going up and coming down to take rest, it is taking support at this trend line. In your trading software, okay, you can also draw this trend line. And during the last trading session on Friday, you could see that price has also taken support. Okay, when price hit the trend line or support level, okay, price immediately bounced. Okay, so considering this 4 weeks, 1 2 3, considering these 4 weeks, we can assume that yes, buyers are present in the market, or buyers are sitting at this support level, and yes, trend line will act as support for the market right now. Okay, and if I take you to the weekly chart, then you can see that weekly chart is also telling us the same story. And the good news is that okay, market is trading above the resistance level, because we know it very well that for the last 2 months market was struggling to cross the 109.75 level. Okay, at last market has given a closing above the level, and right now market is trading above the level. Okay, so that's a relief right now. So 109.75. Okay, so 109.75 is a support for us right now, because the resistance has become the support right now. Okay, so though the current market price is far away from this price level, but still, okay, this price level is equally important. Okay, so let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be a strategy. Oh, the trend line is gone. I'll have to draw again. Ah. So you have already understood, I guess, what will be your strategy, or what should be your strategy right now. Let the market open on Monday and just observe the price after market opening. If you see that, if you see market or price taking support at this trend line and bouncing, you can go for a buy order. Easily you can go for buy order. On the other hand, if you find market trading below this trend line, then also do not short the market, because the overall the structure of the market is now bullish. Market is bullish right now. Okay. Therefore, considering the overall structure or the trend of the market, we should only look for buying opportunities, and that will be the safest option for us right now, because the overall, we know it very well that after the this week's turmoil and volatility, almost all the support levels and resistance levels are gone, shattered in currency pairs. But this currency pair USDjpy is still following a trend line as a support. Okay, so if it bounces from the support and starts going up, then you can go for a buy order. But on the other hand, if it starts trading below the trend line or the support level, then also do not short the market. Do not take any risk. No need to take any risk. There are plenty of opportunities available on other currency pairs. Okay, if it starts trading below the trend line, okay, let it trade. Okay, just observe the price, because see, on previous occasions, when market started trading below the trend line, again after a few hours, again it started going up and took the support again. See, market broke the support and again went up again. Okay, so in case market starts trading below the trend line, do not short the market. That will be a trap, and do not get trapped. Respect the overall trend of the market, stay with the trend of the market. Okay, so when market will be going up again, then you can go for a buy order. But on the other hand, if market starts reversing after the market opening, you can go for a buy order. Okay, but remember, be with the trend, do not compromise with the trend. That's it. Okay, because this is our thumb rule, stay with the trend. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.